there is something that I expect you to know about the solubility rule of carbonates and bicarbonates. First of all, what is a carbonate? Any compound that contains CO3 2- is a carbonate. So this is carbonate ion. Bicarbonate is a compound that contains HCO3-. This is bicarbonate ion or hydrogen trioxocarbonate 4. All group 1A elements and ammonium ion form carbonates that are soluble in water. We have sodium ion, we have potassium ion, and so on and so forth. And we then have ammonium ion. When they interact with carbonates, now you exchange valency. This 2 is coming to sodium, 1 is going to carbonates. We have Na2CO3. This compound is soluble. Likewise, this potassium carbonate, soluble. Likewise, this ammonium carbonate, soluble. You know, these metals in group 1 are called alkali metals. Group 2A elements are called alkali earth metals. They disobey this solubility rule that says that carbonates of these metals and ammonium ion must be soluble in water. Carbonates of group 2A elements are insoluble in water. These are some of the group 2A elements. We have magnesium ion, we have calcium ion. When these 2 ions combine with a carbonate ion, they form carbonate that is insoluble. Magnesium carbonate, calcium carbonate. These 2 are insoluble. They can't dissolve in water. For instance, this is active ingredient of your washing soda. It is soluble. This is marble chips or chalk. It is insoluble, but both of them are carbonates. Now look at one interesting thing. Let's move to the bicarbonate and compare group 1A and group 2A elements. Group 1A bicarbonates are insoluble. Sodium is in group 1. Sodium ion plus bicarbonate ion. We are going to have sodium bicarbonate. This is insoluble. But the group 2A counterparts of bicarbonates are soluble. For instance, this is soluble. What do you come to understand? That group 1A elements and group 2A elements are antagonistic when it comes to their carbonates and their bicarbonates. Now look at this. This is sodium bicarbonate, or what is called baking powder. You will agree with me that baking powder is insoluble in water. Now look at the same sodium carbonate in washing soda. It is soluble. So group 1 element carbonates are soluble, but group 1 element bicarbonates are insoluble. The reverse is the case when it comes to group 2 elements carbonates and their bicarbonates. Group 2 elements carbonates are insoluble, while group 2 elements bicarbonates are soluble. So when you are asked a question pertaining the solubility rule of carbonates and bicarbonates as it concerns group 1A and group 2A elements, I hope you'll be able to trash the question. If you can do so, then this video has achieved the aim for which it was made. And in order to reciprocate what we do, share the video, follow this page, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.